One video, when shot and edited well and distributed to the right people, can easily land you several listings. That's literally tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars with a relatively low investment. The average videographer isn't going to help you create content or help direct the shoot. Time is money. Confidence, clarity, content, and distribution are key. Within the time it takes to fly from Los Angeles to New York, or maybe New York to London, you can watch all of these videos and be well on your way to creating content for the next month, or even the full quarter when you utilize some of our bonus tools. There are many tools out there that will give you templates. They'll give you a list of videos to create. They'll even tell you they'll do it for you. This course wasn't designed like that. Real Estate Video Marketing 101 is intended to transform you. When it comes to video, we often have this internal struggle. We say in our mind, we don't like how we look and sound. We don't know what to say. We don't have time to do it. We don't know how to distribute. And we don't know how to leverage the opportunities we have. And here are the internal goals. We want to feel more confident. We need to know how to craft the message and think on our feet to create content. And we never want to worry about having the right resources, because whether we hire someone or do it ourselves, we'll know how. That's what's happening inside. Now, how about the external struggles? Like, we won't make money unless we get our names out there, or we'll continue to watch our competition doing it and feel we can't compete. But what we really want is for people to see us as an influencer, for our colleagues to be envious of our courage, and to know that we put something out there that is better than nothing. If any of these are connecting with you, I urge you to check out my course, Real Estate Video Marketing 101. At the end of the course, you will not only have more confidence on camera, but you'll know what kinds of videos you should be making based on your marketing plan. You'll know how to organize the content, how to write the scripts, and storyboard your ideas. You'll be equipped with your own studio if you don't have the resources to hire someone. And I'll also teach you how to find a qualified videographer and editor. And then you'll be ready to compete with my step-by-step tutorial to get the content out there and into the world. So whether you just want to make more videos for social media, you want to create more videos around listings you have, or you want to become the digital mayor of your town, this course will help you get started.